This is the best 3D illusion that also allows you to practice your pencil control. For the illusion, you'll need an HB pencil, that's a number 2 for Americans. I'm also going to use a ruler, but you could draw freehand if you want to. I'll also use a blending stick. This is just rolled paper. If you don't have one, you can use a cotton swab. We're going to start with a vertical line. This one will be about 2.5 inches. And then draw a shorter horizontal line. This one will be 1.5 inches. And then connect them. Here you have a right angle triangle. Now you want to extend this horizontal line. Let's go to 4 inches. Remember that number, because you're going to have to do the same thing on the top. Go the same distance, so in this case, it'll be 4 inches. And now just connect those lines. If you're into geometry, you know that we've just drawn a parallelogram. In the triangle, we're going to draw a bunch of parallel lines. You can approximate this like I am, or you can really try to measure it out if you're that kind of person. And now, in this bigger section, you're going to draw some horizontal lines. You're going to draw your horizontal lines so they connect with each of those diagonal lines. Okay, that's all the drawing we have to do. Now we have to do some shading. Shading is what sells 3D illusions. This first area is the darkest. You can color it as dark as you like, but nothing else can be as dark or darker than this area. Color the whole thing in. Now the next area will be slightly less dark. Keep following this pattern. Each area is slightly less dark than the last. This is why it's such a great practice for pressure control. Work your way up, pressing down less and less hard each time. Finally, the last area will be your lightest. Now do the same thing in the triangle area. Start with the darkest area, and then go lighter, 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 and lightest. We're going to add a shadow, but first, let's blend it all in. You can take much more time with this than I am, but I'm just trying to give you an idea. Alright, now for the shadow. From the top corner of that parallelogram, smudge in another triangle. You can press down quite dark on this. And there you go. There's your 3D illusion. Please follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.